All right, so we're starting lesson 16-1, reteaching, converting customary measures. And we're only going to be looking at units of length today. So here are your units of length. So, of course, 1 foot is 12 inches, 1 yard is 3 feet, or 36 inches. 1 mile is 5,280 feet, or 1,760 yards. So we're going to use what's in this box here to convert our numbers down here. Because we're doing units of length only today, you're only going to do questions 1, 4, 5, 10, 12, and 16. So for number 1 is 36 inches. How many feet is that? Now, I know you probably already know the answer, but when you're converting from a small unit of measurement like inches to a big unit of measurement like feet, then do you multiply or divide? You divide. And so you're going to divide. And if I had to just write this out, I could tell you that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. All right? 12 inches are in 1 foot. That's how I would write it out. So what am I going to divide into 36 to find out for the feet? 12. So 36 divided by 12 is how many feet? 3 feet. Okay. For number 4, I'm going to write that out again. All right. How many feet are in a yard? 3 feet are in 1 yard. So remember, if I'm going from a smaller unit, feet this big, right, to a bigger unit, yards are this big, right? Do I multiply or do I divide? I divide. 39 divided by 3 is what, guys? 13. So 39 feet is the same as 13 yards. All right. For number 5, 1 mile equals how many feet? It's up at top, right? 5,280. So anytime, if I'm not sure, if I can't memorize them, go up to the top, look at your little cheat sheet. 5,280.
You gotta figure out what half of it is. Yeah.
What are you going to do to find that?
Oh, you do that by divided by 2.
Well, hold a second. When we went from a small unit of measurement to a big unit of measurement, from inches to feet, we divided. But right now we're going from miles, which is huge, right, to a smaller unit, we're going to multiply. So if you got a bigger unit of measurement, which is miles, down, that's for, listen again. If I'm going from a small unit of measurement, which is inches, to a bigger unit, which is feet, I divide. Smaller unit is feet, the bigger unit is yards. Which one's bigger or smaller for number 5? Miles is bigger to feet. So if you're going from big to small, then you multiply. If you go from small to big, then you divide. Just use that. Write that down on your paper right now. Now, so miles is big, right? Really big. And feet are small. So we're going big to small. So we do what? Multiply or divide? Multiply. All right, what are we multiplying? We got 1.5 miles. What are we multiplying? 5,280. So we got 5,280. We're going to multiply 1.5. What's that? You see it? What's 5 times 0? What's 5 times 8? 5 times 2 plus 4. 5 times 1 plus 1. Okay, cross him out. Cross his friends out. Give him a big fat 0. What's 1 times 0? What's 1 times 8? What's 1 times 2? What's 1 times 5? Let's add it all up. All right. How many decimals do we have? 1 sent to the back. Let's count it back in. Ready? Is that right? Oh, 7. Sorry, 5. Something was like, I was looking, I was like, something's not right. There we go. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. So our answer is 7,920. Yes, sir. Yeah, did you just do half of 5,280 and then added it? Yeah. Yeah. Because there's different roots, right? And that's fine. All right. Number 10. All right. Yards to inches. All right, remember, look at me. Yards is a big, big measurement, right? Inches is a small measurement. So we're going from a big measurement to a small one. What happens when we have a big to a small? What do? We multiply. Now, 1 yard is how many inches? 36 inches. And if you don't remember that 1 yard is 36 inches, look up here. 1 yard is 36 inches. All right, so we're going to multiply. What are we multiplying? Are we multiplying 3 times 1? What are we multiplying? 3 times 36, which is what? 108 what? Inches. Good. 108 inches. All right, we're doing number 12 now. You put it in decimal form. Number 12, 55 yards to feet. Now, yards is larger, and then feet are smaller. So big to small, we're going to multiply. All right, 1 yard is equal to how many feet? 3 feet. So what are we multiplying? Are we doing 55 times 1? No, but we're doing 55 times 3. What's 55 times 3? 165 what? Feet. Question so far? All right. Number 16. 205 yards to feet. So we're going from big to small. Yard is big, feet are small. So that tells us to do what? Multiply. All right, and we know this. We know something. 1 yard is the same as how many feet? 3 feet. So we know we have to multiply, and we know 1 yard is the same as 3 feet. Now, do I do 205 times 1? No, I do 205 times 3. What's that? You did in your head? Good. So our answer is what, guys? 615 what? Feet. Excellent. All right. So we're going to, in just a moment, flip on to the next page, which is the practice page, and we're going to find out which ones are going to be the units of length. Now for the units of length on this one, you're going to work on it, and then you can turn and talk to your partners at your table to confirm your answers, okay? So for this one, which questions are we doing? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, 13. Okay, and then 16 is when that will be an accumulation. Because we're gonna wait till we start talking about gallons and all that. So right now you should be working. Make sure you circle them. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, and 13. You're gonna work on this. Make sure you use your big to small, or small to big. Make sure you use the front page that tells you if you can remember your inches into yards and all that. Turn and talk to your people, and then we'll go over this together as a class.